All right, right here, this is a 69 Super Bee. Over here is a 69 Roadrunner fiberglass hood. Appears it's a 4-speed car. Appears to have been a 3.2 car, but we'll need to confirm. We get the documentation. Over here, it's a 69 Charger. Real good project car. Another 69 Coronet WS. I better double check myself. Yeah. And but yesterday I was doing inventory, and I swear I inventoried 5 4-speed Coronets. And amazing projects that we got. Here's another one they pushed out, Dodge. This is an RT. A lot of really cool projects. Then yesterday, I believe, I have to double check my pictures and my inventory. We're going so fast. I think there's a wedge car here too. But anyway, this is Sonoff Master Garage Collection, and we're going to be we got 2 more locations. And this will be June 10th preview. On June 9th, this will be live on site with online bidding. And but we want you to be here in person. And anyway, there's another Challenger. This one is not going anywhere, I guess. But here's a Super Bee again. He's put new floors, or somebody put new floors in here in a trunk pan. Great car, great projects. Yesterday, towards the end of the day, was all Roadrunners and Coronets, and but great projects. A lot of 4-speed cars, guys. We'll be getting that inventory up as soon as possible. So go to VanderbrinkAuctions.com. We'll see you June 10th in Denver, Colorado, for the Sonoff Master Garage Collection auction. And again, we have originals, restored. We haven't got to those buildings. There's even Chevrolets in here, and so it's pretty amazing. We'll see you there. VanderbrinkAuctions.com. If you're looking to have an auction, we want to work with you. We got dates yet on 23, and never too soon to start on 24. So 605-201-7005. It's cold.